Hello and welcome. My name is Trent and I'll be taking you through the enrollment and removal of users on this keypad. Let's start with enrollment. Apply 12 volts to the unit. Press and hold hash around 2 seconds. Enter programming code, that's default 1234. Press and hold 7, that's for card or pin enrollment. Enter a slot number, that's 001 to 500. Enter a 4-digit pin or present a card to the keypad. Finally, press and hold hash to exit programming. Pin and cards removal. Apply 12 volts to the unit. Press and hold hash around 2 seconds. Enter programming code, that's default 1234. Press 8 to enter the removal section. Enter the slot number you wish to remove. Now confirm with the default programming code, that's 1234.